Italy and Balkan, December 27, 2024.
Sì, ora usciamo di casa, dai.
This Christmas, Italy has been blanketed by snow, especially notable across the central and southern regions. Reports indicate the Abruzzo area, known for its mountainous terrain, received over 1 meter 3 feet of fresh snow due to a severe cold wave, which is tied to the intrusion of Arctic air across the Mediterranean. This weather phenomenon brought significant snowfall even to lower elevations, creating picturesque scenes reminiscent of traditional winter holidays.
Ecco, ti sto a fare un bel video. Girati, saluta. Saluta. Ecco.
According to local media reports, the snowstorm began on December 24th and created some disruptions for the holiday season, impacting travel and daily activities. The areas most affected included cities like Campobasso and Potenza, which were enveloped by the thick white blanket. Such heavy snowfall led to challenges for residents and emergency services alike, as they navigated the picturesque yet hazardous conditions. Weather experts have explained this extreme weather is the result of a severe cold wave pushing from the north, which has significantly affected southern Italy, particularly through the region of Abruzzo. The snowfall was most concentrated on December 25th, with continuing effects visible well beyond Christmas as unseasonably cold temperatures persisted.
Ancora da Monte Cavo, che spettacolo ragazzi, guardate come nevica in questo momento.
On December 26th and 27th, some relief was anticipated as signs of improving conditions emerged. A shift was predicted with the onset of high-pressure systems moving southward, potentially easing the harsh winter conditions. Forecasts suggested dwindling precipitation and stabilizing temperatures across much of the country. Residual snowfall was expected to remain, but would become increasingly sporadic, primarily confined to regions still colder from the northern winds.
نهاركم زين صباح خير هنا لندن يا مرحبا.
Tens of thousands of homes in Bosnia and Herzegovina were without electricity after heavy snow and winds that also brought traffic chaos in neighbouring Croatia and Serbia. Elektrokrazina, which covers the municipalities of the Serb entity in Bosnia, Republika Srpska, also announced that about 50,000 of its users are without power. In western Bosnia, a state of emergency was declared after severe weather blocked all entry and exit points to the municipality of Drvar, cutting off its 17,000 residents. Throughout the Balkans, authorities issued travel warnings as snowdrifts closed some major routes. Bosnia, Serbia and Croatia banned the movement of heavy vehicles and imposed limited traffic levels on affected roads. Snowdrifts in some villages around Drvar were up to 2 meters, 6.5 feet, high, and the heavy blizzard made clearing efforts more difficult. Due to heavy snowfall, classes have been cancelled in elementary schools in Banja Luka, the second largest city in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and the administrative center of Republika Srpska. A day earlier, classes were also postponed in approximately 70 elementary and high schools in the Unisina canton in northwestern Bosnia and Herzegovina. While the weather disturbances have waned, meteorological experts warn against complacency. Cold air will continue to linger, leading to frosts, especially in northern plains and some hilly areas. Even as temperatures gradually rise during the daylight hours, the nighttime cold will persist, maintaining the wintry atmosphere. A weather report indicated the entire region of Italy could expect to transition from unstable weather to clearer conditions by the latter part of December. On December 29th, meteorologists predicted stable and sunny weather to prevail across most of Italy, but highlighted potential low clouds and fog could develop, especially during the morning hours.
Si cammina ovviamente su oltre 1 metro di neve, tutto sepolto. Questo è il borgo di Campo di... Ragazzi, questa è la strada per andare a mangiare da qualche parte. Guardate, qua hanno fatto una specie di...
Despite the improvement, some areas remained under close observation for any residual anomalies. The central parts of the Adriatic and regions bordering the southern mountains experienced light pre-Christmas snow flurries, but these were expected to diminish significantly by the beginning of the new year.
Circa, vabbè, per adesso 1 centimetro, comunque veramente bellissimo.